Top 10 Gospel Singer Male. Mr. Kengsongbo, Liangmai. His best song with highest views was Chaban My Pawan Wi Boga.
Top 9 Mr. i3n Shawang with his best rated song Upwe Hey, Upwe up to 1 lakh viewers.
Top 8 Sheba Abamai. Her most rated song Dithubo Lungziat with viewers up to 1.3 lakh views. Top 7 Dr. Allison Liangmai. His best rated song Mr. Cowboy with up to 2 lakh viewers.
Show me the green pasture and show me the way.
Top 6 NK Sangiliu. Her most rated song Pawan Kot with viewers up to 2.3 lakh views. Top 5 Ajan Marenmai. Her best rated song Masenbo Ram Maning Tala cover with views up to 4.4 lakh viewers. Top 4 Kijathayuliu Mataina with her most rated song Lunkabwak Talo with up to 1 lakh viewers. Top 3 Nampiliu. Her most rated song Alungchun with views up to 2.5 lakhs viewers. Top 2 Liwang Chawang most rated song Sorgoat with up to 4.4 lakh viewers. Top 1 during Pamai with her most rated song Dejualo up to 5.4 lakh viewers. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, likes, share and give your valuable comments. Red heart # person with praying hands.